Hello and welcome. In this activity, I'm going to show you everything that you need to do to get JASP to give you the information you need to complete activity 5.2. In this activity, you are answering the question, do students misestimate studying time? In the study, someone asked participants to sit down and read a challenging chapter for 23 minutes. And then they stopped them and they asked, how long have you been reading? So the correct answer would be 23 minutes, and we're really interested in how close people are to that number of 23. So I'm going to show you how to get JASP to generate everything you need. So again, you're going to be running a single sample t-test, so one sample t-test. Estimated time, and the variable here is just what was their answer? 24, 25, 23, just each participant gave an estimate of how long they had been studying. So we're going to move that over here. So it immediately gives you numbers, but these numbers are not correct because the test value is 0 here. We're not comparing the mean estimated time to 0, or we are here because that's what the computer did, but that's not the question we asked. What we really want to know is this mean the mean estimated time that they've been studying different from 23. So you have to change this value. Now that's going to change the statistics that's over here. So we get t-value of this. The df suggests that there were 67 people. And then here's a p-value. This is in scientific notation. So that means you need to move the decimal to the left 14 places. So this is a pretty small p-value is what we're saying. Okay, now we want to get more information, so we get our location parameter. So that this is the difference in minutes from 23. This is an average. So we click on all of these things, and that's going to give us everything we need. So we have a confidence interval around the mean difference. We have an effect size, which is right there. We have a confidence interval around the effect size, which is further to the right. And then we have descriptive statistics. This is the mean. So the average estimated time was 30 minutes, a little more than 30 minutes. And that is a little more than 7 minutes more than the 23 comparison number. Okay. Here's the standard deviation around the mean from the sample. And then here is the standard error, the measurement error, sampling error, I should say. Sampling error is a better way of saying it. And then here is a graph plotting the mean of 30.2 and its comparison number of 23, which is right there. Of course, you're doing a two-tailed test. If you wanted to do a one-tailed test, you would change these. But in most situations, as you know, a two-tailed test is going to be appropriate. There will be a situation where you will want a one-tailed test eventually in one of these activities, and this is how you'll change it to make sure you get a one-tailed test. I think this is everything that you need to get JASP to give you the numbers to complete activity 5.2 successfully. If you have any questions, of course, consult the chapter or send me an email. Good luck with the activity.